Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain switches. A switch is a statement that examines a value against many case clauses. It's more efficient than using many else-if statements. In this example, I have a letter grade. What I would like to do is examine this letter grade. If our grade equals A, then we will display you did great. Else if grade equals B, you did good. C, you did okay. D, you passed, barely. F, you failed. And there is an else statement. If something is not one of these letter grades, maybe the word pizza. Pizza is not a letter grade. It's not normally good practice to use a whole bunch of else-if statements. If you find that you're using a lot of else-if statements, it may be better to instead create a switch. Let's write the same program, but use a switch instead. To create a switch, we type switch, a set of parentheses, and then a set of curly braces. Within the parentheses, we're going to examine a value or variable. I'm going to examine our grade, and we will compare our grade against many case clauses and see if there's a match. To create a case clause, you type case and then some value that you would like to examine to see if there's a match. Case A. We're checking to see if grade is equal to A. If they match, then we do something. So add a colon, then type whatever you would like to do. Console.log. You did great. Then at the end of your case, make sure to add the word break. This is our case if grade is equal to A. So what if grade is equal to B? Case B. You did good. Case C. You did okay. Case D. You passed. Barely. Case F. You failed. Now, if there's no matching cases, you can add a default clause. Default, let's display grade is not a letter grade. This will do the same thing, except it's more efficient. Our grade is A, you did great. B, you did good. C, you did okay. D, you passed, barely. F, you failed. Let's make up something. Pizza. Pizza is not a letter grade. So that's a switch statement. Now with your cases, you could put a condition. Instead of letter grades, what if we were working with number grades? Like 95 is an A. So another way of writing the switch is that if we're checking conditions, we could pass true within the switch. We'll examine true against some matching conditions. Case grade is greater than or equal to 90, so that would be an A. Case grade is greater than or equal to 80, that would be a B. Grade is greater than or equal to 70, that's a C. Grade is greater than or equal to 60, that's a D. Grade is less than 60, so that would be an F. Now this way, you can compare a value or variable against many matching conditions. So that would be another way of writing a switch. So yeah, everybody, that is a switch statement. It examines a value for a matching case against many case clauses. It's more efficient than using many else-if statements. Using an else-if statement isn't bad, but you don't want, 10 of them. So yeah, that's a switch, everybody. If you found this video helpful, you can help me out by smashing that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.